Welcome to a day in a Mediterranean Spanish home. One thing that I have learned living here in the last 7 months is that I need to synchronize with the rhythms of the garden, with the rhythms of the nature. I need to go out to the garden every day and check what is happening, appreciate the beauty of the flowers that are coming, the fruit that are coming, but also to check if there's any leak, if there's anything on the leaves, any little bug or any disease that I need to keep an eye on and then research to how to fix it. So I want to take you with me and let's put a cute little hat to protect from the sun, and I'm gonna show you the things that are happening in the garden today. It's 30 degrees now, so it's quite hot. And I always have my little angel copper coming with me. Hey baby! Hello! Say hello to the camera. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna see here is the lemon tree. Look how amazing the amount of lemons that are growing. So cool. I actually saw that there are some leaves that have some like white, it's like white box that I need to be keeping an eye on them. But yeah, like there's so many lemons growing here. Like, look at that. That's amazing. We already had a first batch when we moved here, and we used them a lot on lemonades and salads and dressings and nice drinks. We love lemon. And now we're waiting for all of them that you can see that they are green. They're gonna go yellow. Imagine this amazing tree full of yellow lemons. So I'm very excited waiting for that. And here we have another cool set of trees. We have the banana trees and they're growing bananas. Look at this. You're gonna see up there the bananas. That's amazing. It's the first time that I have a banana tree. And look at this. You see that the bananas are up there, and then there is this pot here, and there are the flowers there. Sorry, there. I'm having struggles to film this like this, but there. So each of those flowers are gonna be a banana. That's very exciting. What else we have here? Look, here we have some basil. I want to plant the basil in the soil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here we have more basil, and here we have jalapeno. This is coming from the plantain. These are cherry tomatoes and some ants here. I don't know what the ants are doing. And this is an avocado tree that is growing. What else we have? This is a lime tree, small. Those bags there, they were oleander. It is a plant that grows a lot here in the Valencian community, and it's very beautiful, has a beautiful aroma, but also is very toxic. So we were a bit scared with copper because if the dogs bite one leaf, they can literally die. But apparently they don't bite it because they know that it's poisonous. But we were a bit scared, so Patrick cut them all because they were very big, and he put killer, like a weed killer, a plant killer, but it didn't work actually. And even though like we put the bags so the plant killer can like work and go deeper, it didn't work and it's growing again. So I don't know what we're gonna do, if we're gonna leave it or not. It's very good for mosquitoes, which we're having troubles with mosquitoes. There's so many mosquitoes, so maybe we will leave it. I want to show you also something very cool, is the oranges. Look at that, so many oranges. I think they're gonna be ready for November, October. So this is gonna be so nice. And we also have a little kumquat tree. Doesn't have kumquat yet, but it has the flowers that are starting to grow. So you know, first we have the flower and then we have the fruit. I'm gonna show you Copper. It's so cute. Hey! What else we have? I already showed you the rosemary and the spearmint, but actually I'm gonna grab some spearmint to cook with it today. Let's see, let me know if you like this format of video, because I'm trying to make it simple and just record with the front camera. That way it's easier for me to edit, because definitely since I moved to this house, one thing is that I spend way more time taking care of everything, like cleaning, and there's so many things happening in the garden all the time. Yeah, like cooking also. So I feel that I have less time. So I said, okay, I need to simplify this process of making videos, because I really like to make videos and I would like to show you more of what is happening in my day to day. So let's try this. Front camera, minimal editing, and let's see what is happening. Okay, so here is the spearmint. I cut it back, and you know, I haven't researched this, but I think that you shouldn't let it flower, because it's like the basil, that if you want it to grow bigger, you shouldn't let it flower, because the energy will go to the flower and not to the leaves. There's a lot of bees out here, which is good. So one thing that I should do today is spend some time doing this, basically taking the flowers out so it can grow better. You can see that the leaves from this plant that has the flowers are smaller than the leaves from this one that doesn't have flowers. I have already spent some time here taking some flowers of some of these plants, so I think I should do that more. It's one of the things, you know, like I can spend maybe like 20 minutes taking these flowers. And the geranium, no, sorry, what's the name of this again? The citronella. Look, the citronella is so nice, so beautiful. I am doing some cuts of this nice flowers and putting them around the house, making some arrangements. So yeah, basically this is a little tour of some part of the garden and a little part of my life here in a Mediterranean house. So I hope that you have a very nice day today. And one tip, if you need to do things around the house, just put yourself a cute little dress and make yourself a nice drink. I am really liking ice cold coffees, and romanticize it a bit. And then maybe you put some music, and you will have a nicer time with higher thoughts, and your day will be better. So I hope you have a nice day. And also, if you want to come and visit us here in the house, we have an Airbnb experience that I'm gonna put the link on the description, where you can come and you can spend half a day here. We will have a yoga class, then you can relax in the pool. Here we have the pool in the back, and we will share a nice meal together. I love that because I love to host. So you will find the bottom, the link to join in the description. So bye bye, Copper. Say bye bye, baby.